Good morning. How can I help you?
Good morning. I'd like to book a trip to Brazil.
When are you looking to travel?
I'm thinking of going in late June.
Perfect. And how long do you plan to stay?
About 2 weeks.
Okay, let's find you a flight. Do you have any specific cities in mind?
I'm interested in visiting Rio de Janeiro and Sao Paulo.
Great choice. I can find you a round-trip flight that includes both cities.
Thank you.
Would you prefer a direct flight or are you open to connecting flights?
I prefer a direct flight if possible.
Okay, I found a few direct flights with good prices. Would you like me to compare them for you?
Yes, please.
This one seems like a good option. It's on a reputable airline and the flight times are convenient.
That sounds great. Can you also book me a hotel in both cities?
Absolutely. I can recommend some highly rated hotels in both Rio and Sao Paulo. Would you like me to focus on beachfront hotels or something closer to the city center?
I'd prefer something closer to the city center in Rio and a beachfront hotel in Sao Paulo.
Got it. I'll send you a few options to consider.
Okay, thank you, mister.
Your flight and hotel reservations are confirmed. Now, let's go over some important details.
Yeah, sure. Hi there. I'd like to check in for my flight to Brazil.
Certainly. Can you please provide your booking reference?
My booking reference is YE9RC1A.
Thank you. Let me find your reservation. Ah, here it is. Your flight is scheduled for 5 p.m. on Azul Airline.
That's correct.
Please present your passport and boarding pass.
Here you are.
Your documents are in order. Your seat assignment is 6A. Please proceed to gate 7 at 4 p.m.
Thank you. Is there anything else I need to know?
Yes, please pay attention on me. Be sure to have your carry-on luggage within the allowed size and weight limits. If you have any checked luggage, please place it on the conveyor belt.
Okay, I'll take care of that. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a great trip.
Excuse me, can you take me to the Ira Hotel?
Definitely. How many prices of luggage do you have?
Just one suitcase.
Okay, let's load it up. Where are you coming from?
I just arrived on flight 13.
Got it. The Ira Hotel is about 3 miles away from here. It should take around 20 minutes.
Great. Do you know how much it cost?
The fare will depend on traffic, but it should be around $30.
Okay, that sounds good. Let's go.
Oh, where are you from?
I'm from Buenos Aires, Argentina.
Nice. Have you been to Rio?
No, this is my first time. I'm excited to explore.
You're in for a treat. Rio de Janeiro is a very beautiful city with a lot of offers.
I've heard great things about the foods.
You're absolutely right. You should try coxinha. It's one of the best foods here.
Oh sure, I will try it.
Here we are. The Ira Hotel is right here.
Thank you for the ride.
You're welcome.
Here's $36. Keep the change.
Thanks. Have a nice stay.
Hi there, I'd like to check in please.
Certainly. Can you please provide your reservation details or last name?
Yes. My last name is Clark.
Thank you. Let me find your reservation.
Yeah, sure.
Here it is. Your reservation is for a A-type room on the 4th floor.
Great. Is there a view from the room?
Yes. Your room has a patio of sea.
That's perfect. Can I see my room key, please?
Certainly. Here you are. Your room number is 405.
Thank you.
You're welcome. By the way, pay attention to the checkout time. Breakfast hall is in the 1st floor.
Oh, thanks. I'll keep that in mind.
Enjoy your stay.